What's up, guys? Just real quick, wanted to do kind of a holster update on my EDC. I got this now. It finally came, guys. Fits real nice and snug. Hear that positive click. So it's amazing, especially when I was carrying this, using this. It would slide everywhere. Don't buy one of these. They're junk. But this, my friends, is amazing. And shout out to Northwestern Tactical. They got this here in like 2-3 days, I think it was, something like that. Wasn't very long. I hit him up over Facebook, which I have a card, which I'll show you guys. And I'll leave his name at the very end of the page, on the very end of this video. I will leave his name and way to get a hold of him in the description below. And it's amazing. So I went from that crappy holster that I just threw. I went from this outside the waistband. I just put my shirt over it, holster, to that crappy inside the waistband holster, to this really nice inside the waistband holster. Now, what I still carry with this, absolutely, it's a nice holster. No arguments against this one. It did its job. It's nice. It stayed in the same place. Could reholster it just fine because it's solid. But I'd still rather carry with this one. It's amazing. I'm totally in love with it. So shout out to that guy. Can't remember his name right offhand. Let me see real quick. But yeah, Northwestern Tactical. If you guys can see that, I don't know if you guys can. But this guy, I will leave everything that's on this card in the description below. Hit him up, guys. He's amazing. Did amazing work. Would definitely recommend him to anybody who's really starting carrying to even if they're just carrying outside the waistband. He makes both. Super nice stuff, as you can tell. He has multiple different colors, different designs. You can put an attachment on your gun if you want that. I don't personally do it because, one, I don't have one, and two, I don't feel like I need one. But that's kind of all for the update. And then I also have some other things I'm gonna do in another video for you guys here soon. So keep him posted and everything. So we'll see you guys later.